Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you can act safely. Back up your chats so you can restore anything removed. Once done, open WhatsApp, grant any storage or microphone permissions required, and navigate to the specific chat containing the voice notes. Make sure you have stable power and Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. Now tap the chat and scroll to the earliest voice message you want to remove. This sets up deletion without accidental loss elsewhere. Once you've located the messages, long press the first voice recording to enter selection mode, then tap additional items to pick multiple files. Make sure you understand the two delete choices. Delete for me removes locally, delete for everyone attempts to remove from recipient threads if eligible. If you have many files, delete in small batches to reduce lag and prevent the app from freezing. After deletion, clear WhatsApp cache to reclaim storage space and keep performance smooth. To finish, clear the app cache and restart WhatsApp so storage updates reflect the deletions. This frees space and finalizes changes. If delete for everyone failed because of time limits or version mismatch, communicate with the other party and request they delete on their side or resend text instead. If you still see a file, reboot your phone, verify backups don't contain the audio, and make sure both sides run current WhatsApp versions before retrying the removal process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.